In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickUp with almost anything, step by step, so you can connect your tasks, projects, and workflows with the tools you already use every day. Whether you want to connect ClickUp with Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, GitHub, or any other app, this process makes it simple and scalable. If you're trying to save time, automate work, and keep everything in one place, this is a must-know setup. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to enable integrations. Once ClickUp loads, you'll see the main dashboard with your spaces, folders, and lists. Everything we need is accessible directly from here, so no extra tools or extensions are required. Next, look at the left-hand panel in ClickUp and click on the option called More. This expands additional settings and tools that aren't shown by default. A lot of users miss this section, but this is where ClickUp hides some of its most powerful features. After clicking on More, find and click on Apps. This opens the ClickUp Apps and Integration Center. This is where you can connect ClickUp with hundreds of popular tools, including communication apps, file storage platforms, automation tools, and developer services. Once you're inside the Apps section, click on the search bar at the top. Here, type the name of the app you want to integrate with ClickUp. For example, you can search for Slack, Google Calendar, Dropbox, GitHub, Notion, or any other supported app. As you type, ClickUp will automatically show matching integrations. When you find the app you want, click on it to open the integration settings. From here, ClickUp will guide you through the connection process. In most cases, you'll be asked to sign into the other service and grant permission for ClickUp to connect. Make sure to review the permissions so you understand what data is being shared. After the integration is connected, you can customize how it works. Depending on the app, you may be able to sync tasks, receive notifications, attach files, or trigger actions automatically. Take a moment to explore the available options so you can tailor the integration to your workflow. If you want to integrate ClickUp with something that isn't listed directly, ClickUp also supports automation platforms and APIs, allowing you to connect with virtually anything using third-party tools. This makes ClickUp incredibly flexible for teams of any size. Once everything is set up, your integration will start working immediately. You can always come back to the App section to modify settings, add more integrations, or disconnect tools you no longer need. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ClickUp with anything you need to streamline your work and boost productivity. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tips, tutorials, and automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.